Mga kaibigan, pag-usapan naman natin yung mga kababayan nating medyo nahihirapan pong makapag-loan sa mga bangko para po sa kanilang bahay. May iba dyan, bumili lang sa sasakyan at pang-negosyo. Meron po ngayon mga kaibigan, isang kumpanya through internet, through computer. Kasi mahilig po tayo ngayon sa computer, lahat pumapasok na sa internet. Meron po doon pwede kayong tulungan na makapag-loan. Robert Tan, Vice President Business Development, Raining Peso Incorporated, and Jimmy Castles, President ng Raining Peso Incorporated. Robert and Jimmy, good morning.
Good morning. Magandang umaga, Aljo.
Magandang umaga. Si Robert, kasama ko sa ABS-CBN dati.
Tagal na yun.
Isa sa mga ace reporters ng ABS-CBN before. What exactly is Raining Pesos?
Well, we are an online company where if you're looking for money, for business, for personal reasons, to buy a car or a home, you go there to learn anything you need to know. Will you qualify? And what we do is make it very easy to apply right there. And then we send the application digitally to the bank. And then the banks do their thing from there.
Paano yun? CCA nyo rin?
No, that's the bank's area. We just do the pre-screening. Yung ginagawa namin dito is we're trying to consolidate banks.
Okay.
Not only the commercial, the big banks, but also the smaller banks. But at least may choice yung ating mga gustong mag-apply ng loan online. May learning center rin kami para malaman nila ano ba yung mga ibang mga linggo ng mga bangko, hindi nila yung mga interest rates, yung mga ganyan. At least alam nila bago sila mag-apply ng loan, kaya ba nila bayaran yung amortization, may calculators kami doon. And right now, we're trying to get the banks in the website para at least may comparison ng mga ating mga gusto mag-apply online. If we look at the statistics, mga 30 million na ang mga Pinoy online.
Okay.
This due sa social networking sites eh. So if we did this maybe 8-10 years ago, baka it might not work. Mga 5 million pa lang yung internet penetration natin. We're in the top 10 in Asia in terms of internet penetration. So I think it's a good time right now. And alam ko maraming mga Pinoy na gustong mag-loan at usually top of mind, ano ba yung mga bangkong bilang lang eh. But maraming bangko dito na nagfa-facilitate ng loan. So, not only in Metro Manila, but sa provincial din. So, at least those who can go to the internet cafe or sa bahay nila, Wi-Fi spot, it's less time consuming than pupunta ka sa bangko or bukas ka ng multiple websites ng banks.
Taking advantage of the net, Jimmy, why name your company Raining Pesos?
Well, rain, except for 2 days ago, is...
Umuulan ng pera.
Yeah, well, 2 days ago, when it comes all at once, it's a bad thing. But usually a rain is a good thing. It means bringing wealth, bringing, the crops are growing. So, we're starting with loans, teaching people how, what's possible, what can they afford. But in the future, we're going to branch out away from loans also. So you can't name it loan-oriented. So Raining Pesos is a generic, good-feeling term. And helps with the marketing. When you're on your Facebook and on the right side in the ad you see Raining Pesos, it's going to catch your attention.
Okay,
so marketing reasons as well.
That's good. Advantages of paper loan applications. Can you tell us the advantages of this?
Yeah, absolutely.
And any disadvantages, of course, if there are.
So when the advantages are, you don't have to go from branch to branch and everything's going to be right in front of you. All the information you need. There's no sales pressure. It's really comfortable. You can do it, the seat of your house in the internet cafe.
Okay.
And you don't, it's friendly. You do it whenever you want. You can apply a little bit now, save it, come back a little bit later. And if you need help, you can call the office during business hours, and then we'll help you out.
So, ang assistance niya sa computer lang din?
Yung mga dito kasi...
Pwede rin silang tumawag sa inyo?
Pwede rin.
Paano? Kung kunwari ako, mag-apply ako ng loan sa kotse.
So,
sa bangko.
Punta ka sa website namin, sa rainingpesos.com.
Okay.
Nandun nakalatag na lahat ng mga available loan products, yung auto loan, personal loan, salary, housing, lahat yan. Tapos, meron kaming learning center. So, kung gusto mo, bago ka pumili ng anong klaseng loan na gusto mo, meron kaming mga frequently asked questions, loan calculators, mga anything about loans na hindi mo alam, para at least you become more educated bago ka pumasok dito. Alam natin, Yung loans dyan, may amortization yan, may babayaran ka monthly. So at least, before mo ka pumasok dito, alam mo na, kaya ko bang bayaran tong monthly amortization na to.
Yes.
Tsaka yung maganda dyan, we're trying to go green.
Okay.
Diba? Online, paperless. So from our end to the bank, paperless na siya, digitally, you can upload lahat ng mga documents mo sa website namin, yung mga requirements ng banks. So ipapasa na namin sa banks digitally. So
Yeah.
wala nang papel. So at least, part of being environmental friendly, paperless na siya.
Yeah, pero may assurance lang na talagang secured yung mga kliyente ninyo.
Secure.
Very well secured.
Jimmy can actually
Yeah.
explain more on that on the IT
Okay.
side.
Sige, very brief, Jimmy. The security details, very brief.
Right, the two important parts when you're on your computer and you're filling out the form, the data goes to our computers encrypted. We use a technology called VeriSign.
All right.
And once it's there, we limit the access. We don't have any computers in our office. It's all outsourced. So the security is in place, and then the procedures to access are in place.
Thank you so much.
Very important in this business.
Good luck, Jimmy Castles, President, Raining Pesos, and Robert Tan. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Jimmy, pero pag magbabalik mga kaibigan, okay, Alice, balita sa susunod.